Hello everyone, this is Ashmi Gupta and today I am representing my assignment project that is given by the India. The assignment project is Movie Watchlist application. Here, the project statement is given in this PDF, and this is a project overview. In this movie list application, that is a web-based tool that allow users to manage a list of movies and they want to watch. And here, some key features also given in the list that where user can edit and delete movies from their watch list and mark movies as watched or unwatched and also rate and review movies as well as. So here as the project statement now comes to the project application. This is my project application that is live and here I use for a virtual application for deployment my application the movie watches application here we can check the review of any movie and also we can edit and we can also delete any movie from the list and here is a rating part for dangal I have give for rating for this. Now I come to the edit part. Here I can edit the detail of the dangal movie. This is the title for this movie and this is the description. This is the short description of Dangal movie, and this is the releasing year that is required field, and gender is a biographic, and this is the image URL that cannot be altered, that cannot be modified in any scale. And here I give rating 4. If I give this rating 5, if I give this rating 5, and also I want to change review, like I give best work here, sorry, best work, then I save this and it will change thoroughly. And this you can see this rating it increase for 4 to 5 and maximum rating is 5. So this edit option is working well. And now I want to watch movie list and for this if I click on this watch movie button then there is no any movie that is watched already, so come back and here if I want to click this, then this come to in the watch list. Now I can check here this jungle movies come in this and we can also back from there directly. So the functionality is working well. Now I want to add one movie and that is if I want to movie like I want to add a movie Mary Com, and here I want to give description like this is the chronicle, this is the chronicle of the life of Indian boxer Mary Com. Okay, this is a short description. You can give anything XYZ, and releasing year for this I give 2014, and then I want to give sports. And yes, they are also give some suggestions, so you can put from there, and you can also write like if I want to write, then I can also write here. And here is the image well. So for this I have. This image was so here I am copy image address from there and also come here in image URL and put here, and here I give rating like for example I give 5 or I can give 4 anything else, and here I give I give great work, this is my review and I want to save it. This is saving. So this data is come to in this MongoDB. Yeah, this Maricom movie is added to end of the list. So I can use this. If I want to delete this movie, then I can easily delete. Like if I want to delete this movie, then it can easily delete. So this is the functionality of this my movies postings app. Now come to the MongoDB. Here, this is the MongoDB, and I want to refresh this to perform better. So this is the MongoDB Atlas. I am using directly browser collection for this, and here movies. This is my work. This is my browser. This is my collection where I use here. So you can this. You can see this Dangal, Pare Zameen Par, and Bhagwi Kamal and Chak De India. All movies are here, but Mary Com is not there because I deleted from the last try out. So this is my MongoDB Atlas that is used for database. I use MongoDB because I am using NoSQL data structure. And let's come to this part. This is my GitHub account. Here I push my all code in this GitHub. So this is my GitHub account. Now let's come to the code, and this is the code where I work on this project, and this is my front end here package.json where I use React loader spinner for the spinner and loader spinner, and here I use Redux thumb and Redux and exhaust to transfer the files, and also I'm using Chakra UI for the CSS for designing purpose. Now come to the in SRS of front end, and here I am going index.js. This is the main part of this application of the front-end application. Here I render this application and using and also importing the modules and some important libraries. Now come to the app.js. This is the app.js. Here this is the second important part that here I import the module like CSS and all rules, and I'm here also rendering the all rules. All rules come in the routes function. So here I can find the routes for the all components, and for there I'm giving the home and movie details and watch list. So this is my routes, and here I'm using Redux, and this is my action part. Here I used all APIs for deleting and adding and also watch and review function. This is my Redux part. And now come to the pages. This is my home page where I utilize my home for navbar and anything. And here I'm using Chakra UI. And this is my component for add movie. Here I'm using this. And this is a star rating for star rating. And this is the series for that. I use particle files for every code. So this is my front end code. Now come to the back end. Here I use course.env to secure my env files and Express MongoDB for database purpose, and Mongoose to connect the schemas and server objects of the course. And here I'm using Norma for live server. And here I'm come to index. Here I am listening for the port number that is given by this in env file. In your env file, I give two parameters and two environments that are the Mongo URL and port number. Here I use 5000 port number. So this is my URL. And now come to the routes. Here is only one movie.routes file. Here we can get all the movies and a movie by ID and creating a new movie, and these all are. And now come to the model part. Here I use schema, or we can say that it is the way how our application or work behave. So here I use title, description, image that are required, purpose and release here also required, but watch status and rating and review is not required. So these are my backend and front end code. Here I use Ignore for the pushing the my code on the GitHub. And now if I want to run my application that it can perfectly work, now come to the back end part. My just a minute. Here, okay. Now I want to npm run server. Then my backend is working perfectly. You can see there server is running on the port 5000. Now I am come to node front end. Now I can again restart my code. So here is a npm start. npm start will come to a front end part of this application, and you can see here this application is performing by the code. So these are all our code that is we have done, like we are edit here. So this is the live project of my movie watchlist application. Thank you.